Okay, so microphone. I'm going to go into this map and I'm going to hold on. I'll actually probably I'll probably turn the graphics to wrong. I don't know, maybe it's not lagging. Well, I guess I'll break the house by hitting a car and then driving it into it. I've never done a teardown video. Need to get faster. Place that, place that, place that, place that, place that, place that, place that. And get down here, place that, place that, place that, place that. I didn't mean to do that. Well, place that, I guess. Place that, and place that. Okay. Just gonna let it drive off the edge. I do have Among Us actually. I have the game on Steam. That's it. I'm going to rocket launcher. The heck just happened? Did my game just crash because... Oh! Don't tell me, did my game actually crash? Bro, what is even happening? This is not normal. I've never had this happen. Dude, this is actually lagging my whole computer. My mouse is not moving correctly. And now it's a bit... It won't let me press the Windows button. How do I exit? What do I do? What the heck happened? Dude, what did it do? How do I exit? Alt enter, alt enter. Nope, nope, nope. Dude, I can't get out full screen. If I can't get out full screen, then I can't exit. What do I do? Oh. Oh. Well, that went terribly wrong. So I guess I will just... Yeah, that's a new video that's coming. It's already out probably. Let me check actually, so... Hold on. Yeah, it's still being uploaded. But here I'm going to actually show you that I am going to delete teardown. Teardown. Manage, uninstall. Uninstall. Uninstalling teardown. Dude, I can't. Also, this game, it doesn't even work. Don't worry, I will never. But, I guess I'll play some Pac-Man. Yeah. Oh, was. Save right there. No! Dude, the game is going so smoothly. For some reason, that's how I feel. Oh! And I suck. Dude, I suck at games. Game over. Game over. Hacking is so hard. This game is so enjoyable. You also die. And, I don't know if I can get that. That goes just. Let me get that cherry. Ah! Bro, I can't get that cherry now. Because the ready sign deleted it. Or maybe it. Oh. Yeah, red goes over there, then he'll eventually, do his thing. But why is blue coming after me? Die! As well die! As well die! That was so close. This is my least favorite ghost in the game. This is why! That cherry still got deleted. Right? I'm gonna get the cherry one time. That's my whole goal in the game now. Go back, go back. No! Come on, my main goal is to get a cherry. Well, the ghost goes so slow when they go through it. Ah! Oh, what is happening? Oh! This is always what happens when. Why did I do that? I'm such an idiot.